In this Uteach review, I'm going to walk you through the software. I'm going to show you everything you need to know step by step. So what is actually Uteach? Uteach is an online teaching platform that lets you build and sell courses, plus design a custom website with pre-made template. You can also build a professional website in minutes using pre-designed template to start monetizing your skills and hobbies. You can also create courses with video and text content, offer live lessons, and design quizzes that can be automatically graded. So, who is actually suitable for Uteach? Uteach is actually suitable for coaches, training centers, and creators that want to monetize their expertise with automatic online teaching. So, without wasting much time, let me go through Uteach interface itself. Okay. So, what you're actually looking at is actually the Uteach interface itself. On the left, you can actually see the dashboard, user, learning content, site builder, blogs, form, sell a product, financial, contact us message, setting, and support center. And earlier on, I mentioned you can actually build a website. So once you click into this, it can bring you to the website, which I'm going to show you later on. And this is the place where you can actually edit your home page, create a new course, and add a new page. And also, you can actually see the main links of how many video courses was being done, how many live lessons, how many pages, how many blogs, and how many sold course and lessons. Okay. So what I'm going to show you right now is actually the support center itself. Okay. So this is actually the support center for Uteach itself. They go through tons of topics also. So if you have any question, go ahead and go to the support center and key in under the search column. Alright. So back to the main dashboard. So in order to edit your home page, simply click into here. But before I actually show you how to edit your home page, I'm going to show you your home page itself. So this is actually the home page where your client will see and will purchase your course itself. So everything I mentioned here will be able to be edited. Okay. So let me show you how to go to the edit function. You just simply click onto here. Okay. Just give them a while they actually load. Okay. So what you're actually looking at is actually the place. This is actually the interface for the builder, your website builder itself. Okay, so this is actually the things which you can actually edit, and this is actually the blogs. Okay, and in any case, if you want the live lesson, just drag and drop into it. Okay, earlier on I actually drag and drop a form itself, and also image and text, for small image and text as well. Okay, so let me just show you how to actually edit all the information here. All you need to do is to click into this, and then you can actually edit all the information, example like dimension, topology, decoration, secondary, and flex itself. Alright, so if in any case, if you want to edit the blocks of text over here, click into that, then you can actually edit every of the information here as well, includes the image itself. Alright, so once you're done, go ahead and save, and then return back to the main screen. Okay, so bring me back to the main page. Okay, let me go back to the dashboard itself. So what I was cover right now is actually the navigation. You can actually see user, so you can actually see the students. Okay, you can actually see the whole list of students, and you can actually create your new student over here. Now you can actually add a profile. Okay, another profile. So you can actually add in a lot of students over here, or you can actually import via CSV file. And then next is actually the admin. You can actually create a new admin. Okay, you can add in their name, email, phone number, password, and professional. You can actually choose their image and give them a description. Okay, so right now it's actually the author. You can actually create your new author. Okay, just hold on. You can actually give their name, email, phone number, professional, password, and choose an image and some description. Okay, or you can actually create a group itself. In let's say you have a different type of course for different groups. You actually create your groups, so you can actually assign your author email, the members, and you should create an action. So all these you'll be able to do it under user itself. Okay, so moving downwards for the learning content. Okay, you can actually see course, quiz, live lessons, and certificates. Let me go through the course itself first. Okay, so how you actually create your course, you just click into there, create new course. Okay, so you just give your course a name. Maybe I just put a demo course. Okay, and then you can actually have your URL under demo course. You can actually add an image over here, put a course description. I just put a random. You can actually have course compliances. What is course compliances? You can actually request student to complete certain action. Example, watch at least 80% or download file, open textual content in order to go further through your course. You can actually toggle on and off, or you can actually disable fast forward. Okay, what it means is disable the fast forward feature. Your student will not be able to fast forward the video on the course and have to watch them fully. You can also toggle on and off, and you can actually choose your author name. Right now it's actually I myself. Okay, so right after that you can actually press next. You can actually, after next, and you actually have some video files. You can actually create your first session over here by clicking over here. Then give a title, demo 1. You can attach a quiz for this session, e-learning or how to name your brand. Then you just save. Okay, so this is actually your first session. In any case, if you want to create more session, just create here. Okay, so right now it's actually next. Okay, so we can actually choose a quiz. This is actually a quiz which actually made by Uteach itself. For this demo, just click into this, and you can actually change your quiz name for this course. Maybe I just put demo, and you can actually select the certificate template. Okay, so later on I will actually show you how you can actually create your certificate as well. Okay, so you can actually set the passing score in percentage for getting a certificate. You can actually put, example, you can put in 50, maybe it's 50%. So once 50% correctly answer, student will receive a certificate. So for this example, I will just put 50. Okay, then you can actually set the price under free or one-time purchase or one-time payment. So under free, there's actually nothing nothing to set anything at all. For one-time payment, you can just set the price or the old price for optional and how much is the duration. Okay, so for this demo, I just click into free and press next. And then right under setting, it actually has draft, publish or private. So it has some SEO settings. SEO settings, you can actually set this SEO title, SEO description, course keyword, and over here you can see send the notification. In any case, if you want to delete the course, go ahead at the bottom and delete the course. Okay, so once it's done, you can actually save. Alright, so right now your course actually successfully saved. So for this demo course, you can actually see over here, and you can actually also edit over here, or you can actually copy the URL, or you can actually see the enrolling student. So right now the enrolling student is actually 0. Okay, so back to the course itself. So you can actually see the course which I created earlier on. Okay, so back to the going downwards, you can actually see quizzes. You can also create quiz. Create quiz, you can actually just click into here, create your quiz. Same as the way you actually create course, everything is actually identical. All you need to do is just fill out all the information request. You can actually do all the check, you can actually do all the settings over here, do all the durations, passing score, choose author, and then you go through step by step, which is actually step 1 is quiz main description, questions and settings. Okay, so I already create a full course. So for quiz, it's actually the same, or for live lessons, it's also the same as well. Okay, all you need to do is to give them a title, do all the setting, follow here step by step, general information, curriculum and material, participating invitation, publish and SEO settings. Okay, so for certificates, I'm moving down to certificates. So right now you can actually see how I actually create the certificates under Uteach. All you do is just to click into here. Okay, if let's say you have a logo, you can actually drop a file here, and you can actually certificate is given for. You can actually give in the reasons, e-learning example. So you actually see the e-learning is actually here, or you can actually certificate is given from. Maybe I just put in my name, and you can actually see my name over here. Okay, or you can actually upload the signature, upload the stamps, and then you can save here. So the image must be PNG, and then you can actually change the design of the certificates over here. Okay, so basically this is actually the learning content which cover course, quizzes, live lessons and certificates as well. Okay, so for the site builder, let me explore the theme itself. All right, so for the design, you actually see for my website, the earlier theme is actually this. Okay, so it has actually tons of themes which you can choose. So you can actually preview them, or you can actually choose this template. Okay, so that's actually for language, mathematics, sports, education, or design itself. Okay, you can actually preview them. Once you are actually happy with this design, go ahead and use this template. Okay, so for the designing of the template, which I actually went through earlier on. Okay, in any case, if you can't remember, go back to the video at the start, and then you can go through it again. Okay, so for this, actually the page itself, so you can actually set the page if you want. So right now the default page is actually home, course, live video, product, blogs, forum, quizzes, and contact in FAQ and privacy. In any case, if you need any more new pages, proceed to click into here, create new pages, give it a name, give them a meta image, SEO details, description, keywords. You can actually go to status, inactive, active. You can actually put in the page type, whether it's a landing page, information page, or blank page. Okay, so after that you click into that, then you can just follow the instruction. Okay, so same goes for the FAQ. Okay, so you can actually create your FAQ. Okay, or also the menu builder. So you can actually see the menu builder right now is actually course, live lessons, course, blogs, form, quizzes, and contact us. In any case, if you want a new page for your main menu, you can actually add in. And for your footer menu, you can actually see the display. Okay, you can actually set in the footer. You can actually toggle it off. Then you will not see the footer menu have this course itself. In any case, if you want to change the main menu or footer itself, you can actually adjust this. Okay, you can actually change any position you want. Okay, for the main menu and the footer menu. Okay, so for the images, okay, you can actually this is actually for the website logo and fabrication. You can actually add in the logo, remember the sizes, and add in favicons, sorry. Okay, so you the next moving downwards, you can actually see the email settings. All right, moving to the email setting, you can actually see some navigation on registration, password reset, role change, video calls, quiz, and live lesson. So for this email setting is actually the email which once you actually register, your client register, or you change the password, role change, video calls, quiz, or live lessons. Let me give you an example for this. Okay, if let's say a registration of new student by themselves, okay, then this email will be actually sent to them. Dear admin name, student name has successfully registered as a student on your website. Sincerely, website name. Okay, if let's say moving down, okay, when a learner is added by admin, so an email template will be triggered off. So all these actually are templates, okay, for maybe register, or you can actually have role change, or quiz, or live lessons. Okay, so basically for this email setting is actually like an email template itself. All right, okay, so moving downwards, you can actually see blog itself. Okay, let me click into that so you can actually see. This is actually the blog. You can actually create your blog as well. For example, you can actually go to edit itself. Okay, this is actually how you actually create blogs. Okay, this is actually pretty simple. It's work like WordPress. Okay, it really works like WordPress itself. Okay, so moving downwards is actually form itself. Click into that. So right now you have no form. By clicking create a new form, just click into this. You can actually add your in your title, add an image, description, an author. Then you can actually go through the steps. Form main information, questions, and settings. Okay, once you will create your forms, it's very easy. Go through step by step. Okay, so moving downwards, you can actually sell a product as well. So you can actually create your products. Okay, by clicking products, click to that, let it load. So you can actually create two types of products. Right now it's physical products and digital products. Okay, so for physical products, you actually need to input your main information and setting. So digital products, you need to input main information, file, and links and settings. Okay, so just go through everything step by steps. It's actually very simple. So moving down to financial, you can actually have the payment settings. Okay, so this is actually the payment settings over here at my end, and then you can actually have banks account attachment. Okay, you can actually log in with Stripes. Okay, my profit, and then over here you can actually create your coupons. Okay, create coupons, you can actually create a new promo codes by clicking here. Okay, you can actually choose the type of promo code, amount discount or percentage discount. Okay, so amount discount, you can actually input all the information which you need. You can actually select the expiry date, the number of coupons, promo coupons, and if in this case, if percentage discount is also the same as well. So once it's done, remember to press save, and then you can actually distribute your promo codes. Okay, moving on downwards, you can actually see the contact us messages. Okay, what is actually contact us messages? Contact us messages, in any case, let's say somebody actually contact you, so you can actually see all your messages over here. Okay, so right now it's actually empty. Once you actually people client contacting you, you can actually take a look over here. Moving to the last one is actually setting itself. Okay, you have a general setting, domain setting, and video meeting apps. Let me go through the general setting itself. Okay, so you can also edit the website name. You can actually change the name. Available language is English, Russian, and Armenian. You can check any your contact information. You can actually add in your social media, and example like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Vibe, Telegram, WhatsApp. Okay, then you can actually edit your header script, footer script, pipe drive, MailChimp, Zapier, and you can actually remove your Uteach branding over here. You can also rating and review. You can actually enable them, and privacy and terms of agreement. You can actually toggle on or off. Okay, so basically I actually went through all the settings itself. Okay, so right now I actually went through everything you actually need to know in the Uteach itself. It's actually a very simple platform if you want to create your course itself. Okay, so basically this is actually a Appsumo deal. Let me show you the deal itself. So right now at tier 1, you can actually all featured above, 5 admin levels user, unlimited course, unlimited live session. For tier 2, 179, you have 10 admin user. Okay, if you want to have more admin user, it's 299 for tier 3. Okay, this is actually a alternative product called Udemy. Udemy is actually a monthly charges. If let's say you are just a startup or you want to save cost, of course you get Uteach itself, because it's actually a one-time purchase and it's actually a lifetime deal. It's not a monthly charges amount. Okay, in any case, if you want to buy Uteach, go ahead and use my link in the description box. Please click my link itself. Of course, I will earn some commission, but it will not affect your price of 89, 179, or 299. This comes to my end of this review for Uteach. It's pretty lengthy because I need to show you everything within a short time. Okay, I hope you actually learned something from me and enjoy this video. So, if you want to see more software reviews, go ahead and use to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So, to the next review, I will see you. Meanwhile, take care. Goodbye.